Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a crucial topic that affects all smartphone users, battery life. We've all experienced the frustration of a dying battery at the most inconvenient times, but fear not. In this video we'll unveil 15 practical tips to help you maximize your smartphone's battery life. By following these simple yet effective techniques, you can make your phone last longer between charges and stay connected for extended periods. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Dim the screen. Our first tip is to dim the screen brightness. Your smartphone's display is a major power consumer, and lowering its brightness can save a significant amount of battery life. Adjust your screen brightness to a comfortable level that is still visible without straining your eyes. If your phone supports it, consider enabling adaptive brightness, which automatically adjusts the brightness based on your surroundings. This feature optimizes your screen's brightness, making it more power efficient throughout the day. Number 2. Watch out for power-hungry apps. Keep a close eye on power-hungry apps that silently drain your battery in the background. Some apps continuously run processes and fetch data, even when you're not actively using them. To identify these culprits, head over to your phone's settings and check the battery usage section. Once you've pinpointed the power-hungry apps, you have a few options. You can limit their usage, force stop them when not needed, or consider finding alternative apps that are less resource-intensive. Number 3. Reduce push notifications. Push notifications are convenient for staying up to date with the latest information, but they can also put a strain on your battery life. Each time a notification arrives, your phone's screen lights up, consuming power. To conserve battery life, review your app notification settings and disable unnecessary notifications. You can also choose to receive some notifications silently, which won't wake up your screen, saving both battery power and your attention. Number 4. Store at room temperature. Believe it or not, the temperature at which you store your smartphone can affect its battery life. Extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold, can negatively impact your battery's health and performance. To maintain optimal battery health, try to store your phone in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or extreme weather conditions. Storing your phone at room temperature ensures better battery longevity and overall performance. Number 5. Turn on power-saving mode. Most smartphones come with a built-in power-saving mode or battery saver mode. This handy feature can be a real lifesaver when you need to extend your phone's battery life. When activated, power-saving mode adjusts various settings to conserve power. It limits background processes, reduces screen brightness, and sometimes restricts certain features. You can enable power-saving mode manually or set it to turn on automatically when your battery reaches a certain percentage. It's an instant way to squeeze more juice out of your phone's battery when you need it most. Number 6. Turn off vibration and haptic feedback. Vibrations and haptic feedback provide a tactile experience but consume extra power. Consider disabling them for non-essential functions. Stick to regular ringtones and simple touch responses to save battery life. Number 7. Manage location services. Location services powered by GPS can consume a considerable amount of power. Use location services only when needed and consider setting apps to access your location while using the app instead of always. This way, apps won't constantly track your location in the background. Number 8. Enable dark mode. Many modern smartphones offer a dark mode option that changes the interface to darker colors. Dark mode can significantly reduce power consumption on phones with OLED or AMOLED screens, as these screens do not illuminate individual pixels when displaying black. Using dark mode can be a game changer for your battery life. Number 9. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include optimizations that can improve your phone's battery life. Regularly check for system updates and keep your smartphone's software up to date. Manufacturers frequently release updates to enhance battery performance and overall efficiency. Number 10. Invest in a power bank. Sometimes, even with all the optimizations, your phone might not make it through the day. Investing in a good power bank can be a lifesaver when you're on the go and need to charge your phone quickly. Number 11. Optimize screen settings. The first step towards boosting your battery life is to optimize your screen settings. Lower the screen brightness to a comfortable level and consider enabling adaptive brightness. Additionally, reduce the screen timeout duration to the shortest time you find convenient, which prevents your phone from staying on unnecessarily when not in use. Number 12. Close unused apps. Leaving multiple apps running in the background can put a strain on your battery. Get into the habit of closing apps you're not actively using. Both Android and iOS devices have a task manager that allows you to close background apps quickly. Number 13. Manage app refresh and background activity. apps running in the background can be one of the most significant battery drainers. Go through your app settings and restrict background activity for apps that don't need constant updates. Additionally, manage the app refresh frequency, allowing only essential apps to refresh data automatically. Number 14. Manage app notifications. App notifications can be helpful, but they can also drain your battery if left unchecked. Review your notification settings and disable unnecessary notifications for apps that don't require constant updates. This simple adjustment will help extend your battery life significantly. Number 15. Use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. When available, use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. Wi-Fi consumes less power than cellular data, as your phone doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a connection. It's a win-win, as you'll save both battery life and your data allowance. Congratulations, you just unlocked the ultimate guide to boost your smartphone's battery life. Remember to dim your screen and enable adaptive brightness for more power efficiency. Keep a close eye on power-hungry apps and consider limiting their usage or finding alternatives. Reduce push notifications and store your phone at room temperature for better battery health. Lastly, don't forget to turn on power-saving mode when you need your phone to last longer. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your battery charged and your smartphone running at its best.
No.